Welcome. In front of me I have the Xiaomi light, the monitor light bar that I'm just gonna do unboxing along with a really quick look at it. So it's actually, I don't think it's made or it is by Xiaomi. It's just their off-brand, they're calling, what is it, something like Mi Light, or I don't exactly remember, whatever this is called. So anyway, let's get to opening it. Got my little knifey right here, so I can just pop it open. So let's get inside. We get some decently packaged little light, some foam on here just for support. We get the little dial right here to change the brightness, turn it on and off, and it actually has some nice tactility to it. It has bumps when you're scrolling it through it. It's not just like smooth little dial like it is on, for instance, stereos or stuff like that. It does have a little bit of a feel to like different steps. Then we get the, ooh, that is actually heavy. I actually was expecting this to be plastic, but this, as you can see, has some heft to it. Oops, I just damaged the box a little bit, but whatever. Yeah, place it right over here. Then we got the Type-C cable. It's a flat one, as you can see, so that's, I would consider this to be a positive. You can stash it easier. And then we get the light itself in here, so let's just pull that out. The light actually has like a hollow feel and sound to it. As you can see, not much to it. It's just a little bar that, okay, it's not scratched. It looks like it's made out of metal, so that actually adds a little bit to a premium feel to it. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Nothing. Okay. So I'm just gonna quickly set it up on the desk, and I'm gonna plug in the cable to, let's see, get a little one right over here just to showcase this. So I do have a extension USB that it's barely reaching right here. There we go, it's plugged in now. And I believe I connected it to this. Am I right? Yes, I am, right over here. Okay. And this is magnetic, as you can see, so you can remove the light bar from it. Obviously, this would go behind the monitor. And we have no batteries. I was pretty sure they should be coming with the device, but yeah, they're not in here. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna go grab batteries, be right back. Okay, got a couple batteries. Oh, stay right here. So you can pop them in. Now it takes AAA batteries, as you can see, right over here. So AAA, just pop that back on. Does it matter which way? I think it does. So right over here, and let's twist it, and that's it. Hello? Well, off to a not the greatest start. Now I assume this might have something to do with it, so I'll try to connect it to the back of a monitor. If I can actually find the USB ports on it. Oh, I think I'm feeling one, so let's just try to plug it in. There we go. Huh. Interesting. So I can't seem to actually get it to work right now. Hello, can you please? Okay, well, guess I'm gonna cut it till I can actually find out what is wrong. Maybe the batteries are just dead. Okay, so going back to what was the problem is I'm just kind of stupid here. So when you're plugging it in right here, connecting, it magnetically attracts to itself, right? But it might not lay correctly, so make sure it does sit in there. And as you can see, once it does, it turns on straight away. So that was just my problem. And obviously we have the controls right here to control the actual brightness of it. There's also some way to control, I believe, the other. Pretty sure it has some kind of controls between the warm and cold tones, but I guess it's something that I'll have to mess around with. Anyway, a fairly nicely built light from Xiaomi, can't really complain. Didn't really ever test any other ones, but this one seems to be really well made and obviously looks slick, and I really like this little dial right here. It is completely wireless, runs off of two AA batteries, or AAA batteries, my bad, and has no pairing mode or anything, so it just automatically works with this. So yeah, really nice. So anyway, if you found this unboxing helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.